What's up, everyone? It's Controller Mike doing something new today. We're going to do a pack opening or box break, whatever you want to call them. Looking for Jordan cards. I did pick up a couple of these. This also may have the Shaquille O'Neal rookie, a couple other cards that, really just Jordan and O'Neal. So make this a quick one. This is a Red Jumbo Box Series 2. And I think it only has 10 packs, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 10 jumbo packs. So should be pretty good, pretty quick. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing some more of these. I'd like to try to get some followers, do some giveaways, and maybe if I get big enough, I can start buying some of the old school stuff. I'm really looking for like Montana rookies and stuff like that. So I'd like to do some box breaks of them. So we'll get started. All right. I've seen a couple of the box breaks for these. Some people had some good luck with the Jordans and whatnot, but let's see where we can go. All right, well, as you can see, the packs are all discombobulated. Hopefully they didn't get banged around too much. There's a good possibility. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's actually missing a pack. Nope, there's another one. Okay, they just have it all weird. So, let's get started. These are the jumbo packs, which is nice. Tons and tons of cards. Did have a little dent in the side of the box. You never know if that affects what's inside. Oh, we got Dominique Wilkins. Witherspoon. Alonzo Mourning, top prospect. That's a decent little card. I'll try to go through these pretty fast. Kent Smith, 93 competitor. They did have a good look. This was the first that they started doing the overlay. Houston Rockets. So I think it's like 1 in every 7 packs you would get one of the 15 clubs or something like that. 1,500 point clubs. There's a 20 card insert set of rookie standouts. Chris Malone and Tim Hardaway. That brings back memories. I remember when I was a kid opening packs, same years. Sean Elliott, All Division Midwest. I don't think I ever opened the high series though, but I did have the lockers when I was a kid. They came out with a 4-pack lockers. Ooh, Mailman, I see it right there. Another Witherspoon, John Stockton. And this is a graphic card, Mailman Malone. I have this card actually, Malone, from the Stadium Club, and it's an error. I'm trying to dig it up, but it was actually printed in the middle of the card. I remember a long time ago they told me to throw it away. And come to find out today, error cards are highly desirable. And I will go through these pretty fast. I don't know what I'm going to do if I do giveaways. I might actually wait until like the video hits like 1,000 views if it does, and give away all the base cards that came in it. I am looking to grade whatever I get, hopefully for higher numbers, 10s, 9s. Charles Barkley, All Division. Not in bad shape. I know my lighting's not great, but it's better than nothing. I will do another video, or at the end of the video, I'll pull all the better cards and show what we found. But yeah, we used to go to all the like church fairs and all that crap around here and get all these cards for nothing at the end, when in the 90s, when card taking really took a crash. And we got the Birdman. I remember I have this whole complete set just from when I was a kid. Top Prospect. No Jordans yet though. Was that? Nope. Oh, that's right. This was Hardaway. Tim Perry. 76ers. Another Tim Hardaway. It's liking Tim Hardaway, I'll tell you that. And I do remember opening these up. Sometimes you'd get doubles of the same card in a pack. Stuff like that, which was really cool. Traded to the Bulls. Bedford. Dominique Wilkins. I think I already got one of them. Well, throw another one in there. Yeah, like every pack in here had that. These were actually $2.49 a pack back in the day. A pack of cards now is like ridiculous. But they did say the high cards were the hardest to get, because when you bought them, Chris Jackson, it limited you between the both. You got Series 1 and Series 2. Jim Jackson, Sean Elliott, and David Robinson. That was a team right there. The Bullets. Nothing too great so far, I will say that. And Sean Elliott, all division. Let's see what we got here. Series Jumbo Packs, blah, blah, blah. All rights reserved. Rookie standout cards are 1 and 9. I do remember opening these with my teeth. You'd always break or hit the corners of the cards because of the pack. I did like to open them like this as a kid. Hopefully my camera's pretty good because I'm looking in 2 different directions. In your face. Top Prospect, Tommy something. Do not recall the gentleman. All-Star Weekend, Patrick Ewing. Another Dominique Wilkins. The Nuggets, the Bullets, the Rockets. Wow, that was just some junk that went through there. Wow, I just got all them in one pack. Supersonic. David Robinson. Barkley. Larry Johnson and Kendall Gill. Don McLean. I do remember him being drafted too. And the John Stockton. Well, we got 5 packs left. Figure I'd start doing this. We're quarantine anyway, and ain't crap to do, so might as well have some fun, right? Game faces. Xavier McDaniels. That's the first one of them we got. Larry Johnson. Another Isaiah Thomas. The Hawks, good checklist. Kings. Tom Chambers and Kevin Johnson. Todd Day. An old division, Tim Hardaway. This box likes Tim Hardaway, I'll tell you that. My wife over here laughing in the background, trying not to make any noise. Game faces. Tim Perry. Shaquille O'Neal. I actually watched another video. This card was very common in his box. I think he got like 6 of them. Another, the Warrior. Is that the Dikembe Mutombo? Yeah. Lloyd Daniels. See what I mean? They always did. You always would get doubles. And you would just hope it was the right card. And Kevin McHale. Was it Valid Divic? I forget how to pronounce the name. I do remember them pronouncing it, though. And Glenn Rice, All-American. Not one Jordan yet. At least we saw a Shaq. Of course, not the one we wanted, but... You know, there was a Jordan era in these cards, too, where it had the wrong years up top. Another Mailman Malone. Dominique Wilkins. In your face. Michael Jordan. There you go. Finally. Man, I just batted at it. It's in good shape. I'll check it out later. Good pick. It does have the correct dates up there. 87 to 88. I think it was 95 it had up there with the era card. Rick Fox. I thought this guy was going to be something. He ended up being a announcer. I have like 100 of his rookie cards, no joke. He was all into Vanessa Williams. I was like, damn.
See, but I was trying so hard to not laugh.
You came
I
in
thought he was going to be something he said.
Glenn Rice, All-Star. Excuse me. I'm going to set this aside just so it's out and about. I'm looking for some the base Jordan and the base Shaquille O'Neal in black background. The whole goodness there. It would be nice to get a double of that card in the pack. I know that's impossible, but you never know. Another Witherspoon. Geez, I had 9 packs, 9 Witherspoons. Larry Bird, Birdman. Mike Price. Lee Mayberry. Wow. I remember that. In your face. Kevin Johnson. Dominique Wilkins again. Harold Miner. He became a whole nothing. There you go. There's a Jordan insert. All division. In really good shape. Sweet. And last pack. Last pack. What are you supposed to say when you're sitting here entertaining yourself? Hopefully entertaining you as well.
You always go to the everything my baseball boy.
All right, David Robinson, Game Faces.
Pokemon color.
Animation. I guess it's like the checklist card of Fanimation. Terry Murphy. It's not an 86 Fleer, are they? Well, I'm not too disappointed. I mean, I think I spent $25 on the box. That wasn't bad. Ooh, rookie standout, Latrell Sprewell.
Oh,
With
I even know his name.
a nice little corner there. Huh. That sucks. Clarence Witherspoon. Keep that aside. I don't think I have that. And Brad Daltrey, all division. All right, guys. I will do a little scene afterwards so you can see the actual hits that we got. And my next box that I'm going to be doing the opening is the 92-93 Stadium Club, looking for the Jordans and the O'Neills. So if you enjoy this, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in a second with the card. All right, guys, these are the hits for that box. I'm sure you all were like, you idiot, you don't know what the hell that is. But this is actually a Jordan Bird card. So this was actually a pretty good score. This one was in really good shape. I do notice that the cut marks are a little off, so we'll see what they do with grading. But I wouldn't foresee why these wouldn't get 9 or 10s, the Jordans themselves. The O'Neal maybe a little less because it had a little corner crease on the side there. But not too bad for a little bit of fun. And guys, as I said, those the leftovers, I might, maybe after we get a certain amount of views, a certain amount of people, I'll just start giving them away in the stack. But I'll figure that out in time. Watch for my next video because we're going to be looking for Jordan again, and Shaq, and the Stadium Club. Guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Any comments, feel free. Even you're telling me it sucked. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good day.